Okay. We're just gonna see if the pump is putting out because there was fuel in this hard line. So I'm just gonna crank it for a second. Look at the battery first. There. I see a little something down there. I'm going to review the video, of course. All right, new fuel pumps in. We're up and running. I don't quite know yet how long I've been running, but I mean, it should have ran out of fuel by just priming the hole at this point, so should be good. Let's see how she is. Give her a minute or two, and then we'll possibly go for a little spin. We are moving here. Outside in the light of day. Pierre sees the light of day. Woohoo! Positive news. The tack works! Alright, so chasing our horn. I did take the connector off at the relay. Jumpered power straight, horn works. Had the connector up here, jumpered ground to the gray. Relay triggers, that's good. Chase the gray all the way back into the car, and I can jumper ground at the column, the connector under the column, and get it to honk. So our issue is between the bottom of the column and the wheel. So we will dig into that next. What is next? The next video. Mwah! Tune in.